Samantala, pinasusuri ng Malacanang ang mga patakaran ng mga pampublikong kolehiyo at universidad matapos mangyari ang pagpapatiwakal ng estudyante sa Manila. Kasabay nito, inilahad ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacerda ang mga scholarships na maaaring kunin ng mga estudyante. Kabilang dito ang para sa may average na 85% pataas. Bukod sa libreng pag-aaral, pagkakalooban din sila ng taunang financial benefits. Meron ding tinatawag na tulong-dunong study grant program para sa mga solo parents at ng National Integration Study Grant Program para sa mga miyembro ng cultural minority. May scholarship din para sa mga dating rebelde at kanilang mga anak at maging sa mga sundalong nasawi sa bakbakan.
May student loans po tayo extended for poor but deserving students who are entering freshman college or tertiary students with college units earned. No? Then we have study grant, and CHED also has several other study grant program for poverty alleviation. We have the Bangsamoro special grant in aid program and other CHED programs. What we're saying is that we have improved the budget as well of the SUC. At the same time, we leave it with also the SUCs in how they manage their policies regarding tuition fee. This is an unfortunate incident which dealt with the internal policy of the UP school system. But we are looking into ways, and we have CHED has asked different SUCs to look into their policies as well.